how to get Adobe Photoshop for free. So you don't need to download the software. I'm showing you the easiest way to get the Adobe Photoshop for free. So first, you need to open up any web browser that you're comfortable with. So I'll be here with Chrome browser. Once you choose the browser, you just need to go for the search and search for Photo P. And once you've searched for Photo P, here you will have this kind of interface, right? So you just need to click on that first, which is www.photop.com, which is an online photo editor. So here you will have this kind of description. You just need to remove the ad at first, go for the upper right and click cross. And here you can see that you will have all of these options. So you can simply see it's completely free Photoshop software you can use, and you will also have the toolbar. You can go for a new project and add a new project, open from your computer. You can add the templates. You will have all of these features. So that's how you can get the Adobe Photoshop for free. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.